Hi, today we're going to go over your printers and how to reset them so that you can add new printers. The only reason you want to reset the printers on your Mac is because they are the old associated ones with wrong IP addresses, or they do not work because they are unable to communicate to the printer. So to get to your system preferences, you'll go to your Apple logo, select on System Preferences. Now this screen may look very different from everybody else. So what you'll need to do is, because you're on a different operating system, it's still the same process. So if we look for a printer icon on your system preferences, which is called printers and scanners, select that. For an example, here's a printer that shows offline last used, and instead of me adding this same printer back again by hitting the plus sign and going through the process and having two printers of the same name, the best way to do, with if you may have one or five printers or more in this section, is perform a right click. If you have right click enabled on your trackpad or on your mouse, select on Reset Printing System. This will erase all printers in this section. Now, if you have a printer for your home personal connected to this computer, you may not want to follow this process. If you do have a personal printer, just highlight the printer that needs to be removed or all need to be removed. Select the minus here at the bottom where it says click here to delete the selected printers and faxes and scanners. Once you've done that, this one will disappear. And if you did not have a personal printer attached to this computer, performing the right click, Reset Printing System will erase all and any printers in this section. It asks, are you sure? So all your printers are clear, and now you have no printers, scanners, or fax machines. So that is how to reset or remove printers from your Mac.